Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel EduCartik, and in today's video we are going to start with exercise 7.1 but part 2. So in previous part I did the first 3 questions and now there are 2 more questions, 5 more questions left in this exercise. So firstly I'll do more 3 questions and in the next part I'll do 2 questions. So let's start with the 4th question. So these two lines are parallel in this given diagram. So RTP means required to prove. You must have seen in my previous videos. So don't get confused. It is required to prove. The triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Means this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Now here we'll write since two pair of sides are parallel. Since two pair of sides are parallel means these two and these two. Figure A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. This is the symbol parallelogram. So this will be a parallelogram else because these two lines and these two lines are parallel to each other. So if two pair of sides are parallel in any quadrilateral, that quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. So let's start. This is a parallelogram. Then this side will be equal to this side will be equal to this side. Okay. Opposite angles will also be equal. This angle equal to this angle to this angle. But see, it's your choice how you do this question. Either you can do this with SAS, side, angle and side. You can do it with SSS because this side equal to this one and this side equal to this one. So I will solve it with SSS. So AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC. AD equals to BC. And at last AC equal to CA. Why? Because this side is common. This is a common side. Therefore, by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC equal to triangle congruent triangle, oh shit, it's tilted upwards. This will be our answer and in below we'll write hence proved. So now we are coming to our next question. Now in this question we have to prove that this triangle is equal to this triangle, congruent to, and we have to prove that BP is equal to BQ. Okay, so this line are equal has to be proved by CPCT, but to use CPCT beforely we have to conclude that these two triangles are equal. So firstly, what is given? This is 90 degree. These two angles are equal, means this line L is the bisector of angle A. So let's start. angle QAB, angle QAB equal to angle PAB, and in bracket we will write line L is angle A's bisector. This we will write in the bracket. Wait. This is a little bit tilted. Now it won't be. Secondly, this 90 degree and this 90 degree. Angle P equals angle Q. And in bracket you will add both 90 degree. Okay. Now at last we will write that AB equals AB. Why AB equals AB? Because this is the common line in both of them. Common. And now which property is getting used here? See this one, this angle, and I mean not this line, this line, this angle and this angle. So by SAS, congruency rule, we are using SAS over here. By SAS congruency rule, this triangle congruent to this triangle. Okay, so we have proved that this triangle APB is equal to triangle AQB. Okay, so this will be answer of first, and we'll write therefore by CPCT. Therefore by CPCT we can say that this line equals this line. BP equals to BQ. BP equals BQ. Hence proved, and this will be our answer of second one. Now let's come to our last but not the least question. So friends, in this question we have to prove that line BC equals to DE, means this line equals this line. So firstly we have to prove that both of these triangles, means this one is equal to this one triangle. So you can see that these two angles are equal, but these are not coming properly in triangle, so we have to add this angle in both of them. So the answer will be same, because if we add a same thing on both the sides, the relation will remain same. For example, this is 1 equals to 1. So if we add 10 and 10 both the sides, so it would be 11 equals 11, and the relation is still same. So let's add them. Angle BAD equals to angle CAE. Angle BAD equals to angle CAE. In bracket we write it is given. Okay, given. Now angle BAD plus DAC equals to angle CAE plus angle DAC. This is DAC. So means that this angle would be equal to, yes, this angle would be equal to this angle, means BAC equals to DAE. So now this we have proved. One angle. Now AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD, and now AC equals to AE. Here you will write given. Now therefore, firstly this is angle, these are both sides. Side angle side means by SAS congruency rule. So which rule have we applied here? SAS. By SAS congruency rule, triangle BAC congruent to triangle DAE. But we didn't have to prove this. We had to prove that BC equals to DE. So we will say by CPCT. BC and hence proved. So friends, this video is ending. Now in next video, I'll continue with this exercise because our 2 questions are remaining. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.